What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I've got a very special package, which I realize I usually say, but this one is probably more special than most. And judging from the tape on the outside of the box, this package is actually from Portugal. And the crazy thing about this is that there are two sneakers in here that are actually collaborations. And no, this isn't a sneaker collaboration with a store or a musician or an athlete. This is actually a collaboration with a YouTuber, and not a YouTuber that you might expect. Man, they really taped this box shut, huh? This is a tough one to open. There we go. I'm definitely overdue for an unboxing cut. So, I don't know. There we go. Now it's open. Oh wow, I love when this happens. This is super lame of me to say, but whenever there's a box that fits perfectly inside another box, that's like some Reddit goodness right there. So let me pop this first box out. Are there two boxes in there? I think there might be two boxes in there. Hold up. There we go, there are two boxes in there, and the fit was so perfect that the lid of the first box is actually stuck in the top of the box. This is some perfect fit stuff, man. This is like, it's about as perfect as it gets. So here are the two boxes. They both come in black with the We Are Underdogs logo and sort of a gloss on the top. No other tags that I can see. Oh, okay, this one has a note, so we're gonna look at this one first. Let me move this box off to the side. Thanks so much for taking the time to check out the new Meraki One collection. I'll keep this short and sweet so you can get to the best bit, the unboxing. Created with a disruptive attitude that pays respect to the sophisticated aesthetic of a clean silhouette, the Meraki Ones play with the boundaries between smart casual and streetwear while prioritizing outfit versatility. As a guy who loves both edgy street style fits and cleaner classic looks, I wanted to create a sneaker that could easily be rocked with my favorite denim jeans or some cool comfy joggers. We've got 3 colorways in total, but we're stingy and broke, so we've shipped you your top 2 picks, the Meraki One Summits and the Meraki One Lowlights. Alright, that's it. Hope you dig them. All the best. Joe Andrews, aka Blumaan. Have you guys heard of Blumaan on YouTube? If you haven't, you gotta check him out. I've left a link to his channel in the description below. He's a really big YouTuber who talks about men's style and men's fashion and also men's hair. Seriously, his channel is awesome, and huge thank you, Joe. I really appreciate you sending these over. These are sick. Oh man, that's awesome. I'll pull this guy out. I don't want to ruin the paper because it's nice paper, but I'm just excited. Oh man, look at that. So according to the website, these are the We Are Underdogs Meraki One in the Lowlight colorway, which makes a lot of sense because they come in sort of a night shade of blue, like a very dark sort of navy color, which I really dig. Also, the suede quality on this shoe is really nice. It does that thing where when you wipe it one way, it gets lighter, and then you wipe it the other way, it gets darker. I mean, that's not, of course, an indicator of suede quality, but to the touch, you can actually really feel how nice it is and how premium it feels, and you can definitely notice a difference between this and more mass-produced sneakers. So I really like the Meraki One because it's one of those sneakers that you can wear out to the office, you can also wear out to the club. It's like a high-fashion shoe that you can also wear in sort of more casual occasions. It's a really dope looking sneaker, and the fact that it's a collaboration with another YouTuber is so cool. I love seeing things like that. That's just such a huge inspiration to not only YouTubers but people who have a passion for something. Congratulations to Joe for this. This is such a huge achievement, man. This is sick. Let me pull out some of this paper right there so we can get a better look at the inside of the shoe and also the tongue, because the tongue is actually covered in this really nice sort of burnt umber, or I guess you could call it the sort of rust color, which I think goes really well with this sort of dark night or dark navy colored suede. And it comes in this smooth leather, and I think both the combination of textures and colors creates a really nice contrast between the tongue and the upper, and I think that's so cool. You've also got these lightly waxed laces that come in sort of a sail or light tan color that match both the midsole, the outsole, and this little detail on the heel as well. Oh, and of course, you've got the We Are Underdogs logo debossed into the tongue right there, and also on the insole of the sneaker as well, and then the Meraki logo on the lateral side of the heel. This is just such a clean look. This is a shoe that I'd feel comfortable wearing pretty much anywhere, to a more fashionable event, to a more casual event, maybe not to play basketball in, but that's pretty much the only circumstance I can see myself not wearing these. So here we go on the next one. This is the Summit colorway, I believe. No way. Oh, that's so sick. This is my favorite, by far. Right off the bat, this has a very Louis Vuitton feel to it. And I don't know if that's what they were going for, but this feels like really, really classy. So the upper of the shoe comes in this really, really nice premium leather. It's got a very designer sneaker feel to it. I love it. And the leather comes in this really nice sort of very, very light pinkish tan color that I absolutely love. And it creates this really nice contrast with the suede accent right here around the eyelets that comes in a much darker tan. And it's just such a dope look. You've got this really nice pop of color with this dark olive on the tongue that's contrasted by these white laces. Also, you've got this dark suede accent around the heel, and of course the Meraki logo right down there on the lateral side. The midsole and outsole of both colorways come in the same sort of sail tan color, which I think is a nice way to keep the family of sneakers together. Even though they're all the same cut and same silhouette, you have a nice color accent keeping them together. And then the third colorway, which I didn't get, is actually a white colorway that has blue on the tongue, which is a really nice look as well. I mean, overall, these are sick. Not only are these a collaboration between a YouTuber Blumaan who makes awesome videos and an awesome smaller brand, We Are Underdogs, but it's also a great looking sneaker, and it's not something that I would usually wear. Like, this is something not out of my comfort zone, but something that I really needed in my collection. I needed something more classy that I could rock to more formal events, and these are it. These are the pairs. So I'm gonna go throw these pairs on really quick to show you guys how they look on foot. So I've actually got one of each colorway on my feet right now. They do fit true to size, however they do run a tiny bit long, so just something to keep in mind. But otherwise, sizing is great, I didn't have any problems. If you would like to grab a pair of the Meraki ones from We Are Underdogs and Blumaan, they're actually available right now on weareunderdogs.com for, I believe, $179. But Joe actually texted me right before I was filming this video, and he said that they're doing a discount code right now. So if you use Meraki10 right there on the screen, you actually get 10% off your purchase of these shoes, which is pretty cool. I think that deal lasts till September 5th. But I've linked all that information in the description below, so if you're interested in these, make sure to check them out. Once again, huge thank you to We Are Underdogs and Joe, obviously, for creating these awesome sneakers and sending them my way. Huge thank you to you guys for watching today's video, and I'll see you all in the next one.